Owls, it's Teacher Madeline. Today is a beautiful sunny day here, so I thought we could do one of my favorite activities when it's warm out, and it's called ice excavation. So what you'll need to start this activity is to go gather some small objects. It could be toys, it could be gems, jewels, action figures, cars, whatever it is that you want to include in this activity. Something small that fits in your hand that we can freeze in a block of ice. So you'll need a grown-up to help you get either a rectangular tray or a bowl or something that we can fill with a liquid and your objects. So go and find the objects that you need, and let's meet back here and I'll show you what to do next. All right, Owl, so here's how we're going to get this activity started. The first thing you'll do is you might need help with a grown-up, but you're going to take the container that you have, you're going to fill it with water. Try to get it as full as you can.
Don't spill it. Don't spill it.
Maybe a little bit fuller.
Yeah.
Get it to the top so you have room, because we're going to put this in the freezer later on. This part's pretty easy. And then, that's my dog. Hey, Sally. You're going to add food coloring. So, Orson, this is the part you've been waiting for.
Yeah, I love food coloring.
You can use food coloring, or you can use paint if you have liquid paint at home, but I think most people probably have food coloring, so you can put as much as you like. And then you're going to stir it around to really mix the color up. All right, so pause there, Orson.
That's a lot.
That is a lot. So let's see what we can use to stir. Maybe we can...
It looks like it's like when they're
take the brush to stir it.
When
Stir it around.
Forming, it looks like it's a skirt, but.
All right, so mix that around to get the color. Spread around.
It looks like a dark black.
Okay. What do you think? Does that look okay? All right, then it comes the fun part. This is where you get to put whatever objects you've been collecting. You can find stuff around the house. Hold on. Find stuff around the house. Can I show them what you have, Orson? Because your arm is blocking it. So here's some of the things that we gathered from our drawers. There's some vehicles, some rocks, found a balloon. So you're going to put these things in there. Okay, and some might sink, some might float. Maybe you can play a guessing game of what floats and what sinks.
Look at, should we put this in there? Because I know you love this, and I love this too. It looks so
you like in there. A magnifying glass.
Legos.
All right. I can't even really see where it's landing, so here's some Legos.
I see it.
So you'll take this tray and you'll put it in the freezer overnight. Again, you might need help from your grown-up. And then I'll show you what to do once it's frozen. So this is the first step. Once it's done, give it to your grown-up and put it in the freezer, and then check on it the following day. Okay, so I'll check back in with you after this is frozen. See you soon. All right, Owls, here we are. I just took out the container from the freezer, and we're gonna open it together and see what happens. So Orson, why don't you help me open the lid?
Okay.
Let's see what it looks like.
It's pretty
Maybe we
freezing.
can go all together. You ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. Is it ice? Do we have ice? Yes.
Yeah.
All right, so once your block of ice or the water has frozen, this is where we go excavating. Now, before you start excavating, here's what I want you to get. Get some salt.
Yeah.
We added some spoons so we can help move the salt into the tray. Some old toothbrushes. So don't use the ones that you currently use to brush your teeth. Get ones that are old, or maybe use the ones that you're using now and then don't use them again after today. Some cotton balls. If you have droppers, that will work too. And then we have some food coloring, some liquid food coloring that we did, because we can use that to go excavating.
I have a question.
What's your question?
If this is already blue, why do we need blue food coloring?
You don't. You actually don't need any food coloring. We just thought it might be fun to use it. But I'll show you what happens when you use it.
We want to make different colors.
Are you ready to see what happens when we use the salt? So first, take some salt.
Yeah.
Okay. And sprinkle it where you want to excavate. So I want to kind of excavate in this area. Okay. And then you can use the cotton ball. Dip it in your liquid. Drip, drip, drip where you want. And then grab your toothbrushes and start scrubbing. See what happens. To give you a closer look. Start scrubbing.
Look at my color.
What are you trying to scrub? I'm trying to get this pink balloon out. What are you trying to get out?
Hey, Owl.
So we also took the block of ice out of the tray, and you can really get a good look of all the things that we had frozen inside of our ice block. So it's gonna take a while to excavate all these treasures and objects, but take your time. Again, you can refreeze it and come back to it later. Take your time and have fun. Thank you. See you soon.